So now friends, let's start with module 2. Module 2 is all about drawing board and designing the whole project. So let's start with dairy farm. This module will have 3 major areas to be covered. Number 1, how to design a dairy farm. Second, layout of a dairy farm. And third, do's and don'ts while designing utilities and other services at a dairy farm. Making the basic assumptions. So from here, let us learn that how the assumptions are made. So whenever we have to design a dairy farm, the first step is to look into animal progression. Now this is an organic progression being shown on certain assumptions, considering that first year, first month, you will be bringing 100 pregnant heifers and around 50% of them will yield a female calf. So with this consideration, we see that at the end of 10th year, we will be having a total stock of 637. So your planning should be such that at least up to 3 years of operation, you should be comfortable and requiring no expansion in the layout. So at the end of 3 years, the total stock may reach at 241 from 100. So when we look at the most critical thing to be considered before setting up a dairy farm, the first thing again starts like from getting water and soil testing done for the site and keeping the reports handy. The don'ts comes starting with the first point that you should never rely on your advice of your civil contractor.